Hi, I'm Steven, and I'm a nomad. Together with my Belgian Malinois hero, we spend our time traveling, making videos and taking photos. Please join us in our journey, and if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. If you really like the videos, please consider becoming a patron. There's a link below. I mentioned in the last video how I was waiting for Jesus to wash my van. Prayers answered. On days like these rainy days, I love long drives with Hero. I love watching dry lake beds fill and driving down shiny dirt roads. I love the smell of the creosote when it's wet. I love the sound of the raindrops hitting the windshield. And I love watching my dog watch it all go down. I have realized I totally need room to wander. I think perhaps it's the way I was raised, or more likely, the values given to me by my father on long backpacking trips when I was such a wild boy. I think Dad knew just what calmed my heart, the wilderness. It's taken years and many miles beneath my heels to come to this epiphany. I need to wander in these places, and my dad knew all along. Very special thank you to those who have gone to my Patreon and signed up. It helps a lot, and I love you like a bowl of cheese.